In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets on your desktop. VLOOKUP is a powerful way to pull related information from one column based on a value in another column, saving you time and manual searching. To get started, open your Google Sheet in your desktop browser so you have the full toolbar and easy access to your data. Click the cell where you want the lookup result to appear. This will be the cell that displays the information you're trying to retrieve. It's a good idea to choose a clear spot near your data so you can see the result alongside the values you're using. Now begin typing the VLOOKUP function. The basic syntax is if VLOOKUP search key range index is sorted. Your search key is the value you want to find, like a product code or a name. Most often, you'll reference a cell that contains this value, such as A2, rather than typing it directly, which keeps things flexible if the value changes. Next, select the table range that contains both the lookup column and the return column. Click and drag to highlight the entire block of data you want VLOOKUP to search. A key detail here is that the lookup column must be the leftmost column of the range you select, because VLOOKUP only searches the first column of that range. If your lookup values are in column B and your results are in column D, your range might be BD. If you plan to copy the formula down later, consider locking the range with absolute references using the F4 key after selecting it, so the range doesn't shift as you move the formula. Now, choose the column number to return data from. This number is relative to the range you just selected, not the sheet's column letters. The first column in your range is 1, the second is 2, and so on. For example, if your range is BD and you want data from column D, your index number is 3. Finally, decide whether you need an exact match or the closest match. Use false for an exact match, which is ideal for IDs or unique codes. Use true for the closest match only if your lookup column is sorted in ascending order and you're working with ranges like score cutoffs. Press Enter to finish. You should now see the matching value appear. If you get an error, double-check that your lookup column is the first column in your range, that your index number points to a valid column, and that your match setting is appropriate for your data.